Okay, I have a surprise for you guys. Can't look at my face yet. But just wait. It's magnificent. I have a mustache. Fantastic? Quite so. Oh my god, this is stupid. Okay. Mustache moments. My mustache is falling off. This is not cooperating with me. Stay on my face. Okay. Complete fail mustache. I didn't do it. It was. Mustache. Well, hello there. My name is Mr. Mustache, and this is a tune-in for. Oh no, my mustache fell off. That was a fail. Okay, well, talk to you guys later. That was random mustache moments with crazy hair. All I gotta say, please comment and subscribe. Bye.